guys. I think what happened, my table slipped. I may not have tightened the table down good enough. And so here's what happened. The router bit went deeper by, about 1/8 of an inch. So we got to fix that. You can't see it from the side when the drawer goes in, but when I pull the drawer out, I'm gonna see that. So I know a fix. We got plenty of this and some glue, and we'll fill that gap in so that you won't see it. It'll only be seen when you pull the drawer out anyway, but just thought I'd be honest. It happens. So we got to be careful on this thing to make sure that you've got everything locked down really good and tight, because if you don't, that's what happens. All right, we got the pieces all together and cut out. Now I gotta glue it all together yet. Just using up the rest of my scrap. So this is going to be the bottom of the drawer. Probably not the right thing to do because it's solid walnut. There is going to be movement. But I'm not sure if this is going to show very well, but I'll try to show better. My new camera stuff is coming in a couple days, so hopefully I'll be able to do a little better on these videos. But now what I've got to do is on the bottom, I've got to cut a dado into here for this piece to slide into all the way around. So this, I'm hoping, I don't have a good view here, but my thin kerf blade should be able to give me enough of a groove for this to fit in. So that's what we're going to set up next. All right, you guys, new camera shooting, so we're going to put this drawer together. And it's all walnut because I had some scrap, the small piece that I left. So this bottom part, just like a regular drawer, I'm not going to glue this in. Try to get this as centered as I can. And then we'll get the front piece in. Okay. So now we've got those two in. They're nice and snug. These parts are going to be glued in place like this and like this, and that'll build the drawer. And then when I get it all done, I'll show you my little boo-boo mistake. It may not be as noticeable as I thought it was going to be, so we shall see. But I'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and get this glued up. I'll just glue here and here, and be careful not to get any onto that part there. Okay, so let's get some glue going. And I'm just going to use some 3/4 inch pin nails to help hold all this together. Now we'll just kind of get it right into the corner there, and get it a little bit here, Like I said, I want it to be careful as I can. Just down to the corner like that. There we go. Get my little pin nailer. There we go. I like these little pin nails because you just can't see them. There we go. That'll hold that. Now we'll get this side here. I gotta get my glue butt. I like my glue butt better than I do these bottles, but this is all that I had available. Okay. There we go. We'll just take our clamps here, clamp this together. All right. Thanks for watching. Hey YouTube. Okay, so this is the way I used to do it. And now we're going to try see if that makes any if that does any better or not. So this is with the additional LED light bar. And light bar off. Light bar on, full bright. Next one, that's full bright.